Hi lovelies, so today we're going to be doing a unboxing. It's by the company Nature Spell. I've been seeing this all over my FYP and I thought I would give it a go. At the moment I'm finding it really difficult because I only have one working hand due to an injury on my left shoulder, so I can't use it at the moment, but I just wanted to talk about it. I've heard so many great things. I spoke to my hairdresser about it, but she's like, yeah, but that's probably the placebo effect. And I did say I'd seen a girl on my FYP page and she had like short blonde hair. It was like down her backside now, so she kind of said, yeah, well, they could be hair extensions. I don't know, guys. All I know is I want to try it for myself and my thick hair. I had it cut and literally it's probably grown about an inch, so there's something wrong somewhere. I'm going for a blood test tomorrow, hoping that they can give me some answers. Every time I go in the shower I lose lots of hair as well, and I know you're supposed to lose hair, I know that, but the amount of hair that I'm losing is insane. Luckily it's very thick, so you can't really see. Anyway, let me show you what I got. Right, so I got the bundle. Comes with this. So you put the oils in this. Now this is, I think this is a new one because the other one was completely clear. I don't know if with my hair like this, with it being that curly and that thick, you can see just how much thickness I've got to my hair. I don't know if that's going to go through it. So we'll see about that. I might have to straighten it and then do it, but that's a lot of faffing about. So yeah, you get that in the bundle. You also get this. I mean, I think that would probably be better. And like just put loads of the gels on my hands and just run it through the hair. But people have said, I'm just going to take that off. People have said that if you do it that way, it's messy. Open. Right, okay, so just trying to get the hang of it because this is a complete unboxing. I got them before Christmas. I can't remember when, but I got them before Christmas and I've never used any of it. I just wanted to jump on today and show you. So they come well wrapped. So this is one of the oils. So which one's this? Natural Batana hair oil. Hair and scalp for all hair types. Densifying oil. Pre-diluted. So that one looks like that. So yeah, you can just put that in if you want, or what you're supposed to do is measure on this. Like there's some measurement, it will tell you, and you put half of this in, half of the rosemary oil. So let me get the rosemary oil. And do tell me if you've had this, if it works. So again, comes like that. Yeah, natural rosemary hair oil. Hair and scalp for all hair types, strengthening oil, pre-diluted. So that looks like that. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know whether I'm just going to be able to do it now, to use this in each one of them. Or maybe just put it in here. Let's just see what this looks like, because I've not opened it up yet. Yeah, it's got the measurements on the side. You're not seeing it because I've got my light on. You probably still won't see it because of the bottle. It's down, wait a minute. Down the side, where is it? Down the side here. Oh, you can see it now. It's got the measurements, what you're supposed to do. I think it's 2 ounces from what I've seen on videos. 1 ounce Batana oil, 1 ounce rosemary oil. I need to check that though before I put it in my hair. And what you can do with this is just take this off. And I imagine, I don't know if you can do this, but imagine you can put this on. No. Wishful thinking, Andrea. So for me to do that, I don't think I'll be able to do it. You're supposed to squeeze it as well, by the way. I don't think... See what I mean? It's not going through... It won't go through curly hair.